Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to locate different wallet addresses for your crypto using Binance. Let's start. So I will go to, of course, to Binance.com. This is your dashboard. You can do this in Binance app through your smartphones, or you can also do this through Binance.com to your website. So given that, you've already logged in and completed all the authentication, this is how it looks like. I will just hover my mouse over here and click for me to go to my wallet. So take note, guys, it depends on where you actually stored all your crypto. In my case, I have funding wallet for most of my crypto. Now, for those who are still new in cryptocurrency, sometimes they think that it's just a single wallet that you could actually transfer, but no, it's not. It's actually dependent on what type or what Bitcoin. Sorry, not what cryptocurrency that you're gonna be receiving or sending, and it varies, depending on the cryptocurrency. So in this case, for example, if I wanted to get my BUSD wallet address, just click on deposit, guys. Of course, it will be defaulted to BUSD. And then most of the time, just use BSC or BFP20. It would auto-populate your address here. So when someone is going to send you BUSD, make sure you are giving them the correct BUSD wallet. So you can just copy here, or you can just send, what the QR code would look like for them to send it through your BUSD. Now, what if, for example, I wanted, I wanted BNB. So most of the time, people would actually be paying, BNB, and they wanted to send you BNB through your BNB wallet. So sorry, I just went back to my main dashboard. Just need to go back to my wallet. So going back to funding wallet is the same. So the word that you need to be reminded here is always about deposit. You go to which cryptocurrency and then just hover your mouse, hit on deposit. It's defaulted to what crypto that you chose. Choose a network. For me, I choose BSC, and there it would auto-populate. This is your address for BNB. Sometimes there are cryptocurrency that has the same address. So say, for example, BUSD, USDT, they will have the same wallet address. But in this case, just to be sure, make sure that this is how you check your wallet address that you will give to the sender. And then that's it. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.